Hello, and welcome to our WaveLinx Core site configuration video. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps to set up our site's client, building, and floors. When using Operate, if we want to display an image of the floor, we're going to need those floor plans for each floor. So first, we're going to log into Core. Once in Core, we're going to navigate to Sites. In Sites, we're going to select the I next to Default Client. In Default Client, we're going to select Edit. Fill out the client name, the address, the city, state, zip code, and country. Notice we can't have special characters in the name, so I need to remove that comma. And then select Save. Next, select the I next to default building, then select Edit, and we're going to enter our building name, what type of building it is, enter the address, city, state, zip code, country, and time zone. And finally, select Save. Next, select the I next to default floor. Then select Edit. Type in the floor name and input the floor number. Then select Save. My building has 2 floors, so hit the plus next to floor, then type in the floor name and select Save. And finally, we're going to upload the floor plan image. So let's select floor 1. Select Map Setup, then select Settings and Image. Select background image only, and we can load a PNG, JPEG, or SVG. But SVGs and then the DXF files, those are really just used for advanced features. Under background image, click Select, browse to the location of the file, and then select Open. Under image scale, just go ahead and input 12 as the pixel count to 1 foot. Then select Apply. The image loaded, and now we can move on to the second floor. Now select Exit Settings at the top right and Exit Map. And then on the floors on the left, hit the down arrow and select Floor 2. Then select Map Setup in the upper right, then Settings, and then Image. Select background image only, then under select background images, choose select, then browse to the location of the file and choose open, and then apply. If we select operate along the left side, we can then load our floors. Notice there's no controllers available yet, but we can also swap between our floors. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.